I'm Vaya.
And we're here to do a science experiment.
The science experiment we decided to do today is
Elephant toothpaste.
The dramatic elephant toothpaste chemistry demonstration procedures copious amounts of steaming foam that looks like the kind of toothpaste an elephant might use to brush his tusks. To see how to set up this demo and learn the signs of the reaction behind it, watch this video.
Okay, today's ingredients include
Hydrogen peroxide,
dishwashing detergent,
food coloring,
yeast,
and water.
warm water preferably.
So, moving on to the instructions. First, what we want to do before we even start is make sure we take all the safety precautions and put on goggles and gloves.
The gloves come on later.
Okay, so we'll start with goggles. Now that we have our goggles on, what's step 1, Vaya?
Step 1 says cover workspace with paper towels. We decided to do a bit of a tapestry so we could cover it all and just so we wouldn't get our table dirty. We can also do paper towels as it suggests.
Or washcloths. So step number 2 is to pour all the hydrogen peroxide into the graduated cylinder, which is going to be 100 milliliters. Alright, now we have 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide into the cylinder.
Nice. And then we have step 3. Naomi, what does step 3 say?
Squirt in a few drops of dishwashing detergent.
And swirl. Let's see. You have to eyeball this part, just make sure.
And now, swirl.
Ooh.
Amazing. So now it is all soapy.
Nice. And then we go on to step 4. Step 4 is place 5 to 10 drops of food coloring along the wall of the cylinder.
So we have so many bottles of food coloring, we could do 2 colors if we wanted to. I'll choose pink and you can choose your own color.
How much is it? Oh, I missed. Oh, green.
Okay. So we're going to pour it not into the mixture, but on the side of this graduated cylinder.
This makes it look like toothpaste. Let's see how we do. All right.
So now we are going to add the yeast and water together.
Let's see. Here is our, I have the yeast. Would you like to pour in the water?
Sure.
And we're going to put it inside of a cup so we can stir it together thoroughly. Make sure there are no chunks of yeast left. Looks like that's about 20. So I'm going to dump this in here. It looks like the rest of the yeast is refusing to come out.
So now we'll take a spoon and stir it till it's all dissolved.
Okay, and then we go on to our final step.
But first, we're going to put
Gloves on! Thank you, Naomi. I almost forgot. It's important to wear gloves before putting in the yeast to the mixture, because the mixture could burn your hands.
Alright, so now we are going to pour in the yeast mixture and hope for some elephant toothpaste to come out.
Here we go. Ooh!
Whoa!
Nice!
And there you have it, elephant toothpaste. Thank you guys for watching this science experiment, and we hope to see you again next week for another one.